With winter in full swing, it is a no-brainer that your skin is going to feel and react differently. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Here is everything you need to know to keep your skin healthy this winter. You can turn any moisturizer into a sleeping mask by adding a few drops of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E keeps your skin soft, supple and hydrated. Struggling with dry and chapped lips? Mix a tablespoon of sugar with honey to scrub away the dead skin cells and deeply moisturize your lips. Seal in the plumpness with petroleum jelly and reapply every few hours. Talking about dead skin cells, they accumulate over time and need a good scrub every now and then. Mix coffee with oil for a gentle yet effective body scrub to fight off the dirt and dead skin cells from any and all rough and dark patches. Let's talk about the mistakes you shouldn't make this season. Give the exfoliation a break and go for non-drying and creamy body and face masks instead. They cleanse, hydrate and moisturize your skin all in one go. Don't forget your sunscreen. Sunscreen needs to be worn on days ending with Y and all year round. Sun damage is never on holiday, so your sunscreen shouldn't be either. To seal in moisture for longer, use petroleum jelly over rough patches, like around the knees and elbows. Switch out your water-based products for thicker, cream-based ones for an extra layer of moisturization. Yes, even oily skin needs that extra care, so opt for oil balancing but hydrating creams like Matte Wave. Introduce your skin to oils. It is an effective way to boost radiance and fight off that winter dullness. But do not replace your oil with a moisturizer. Instead, use one after the other for a healthy glow. Use hydrating heroes like glycerine and hyaluronic acid either as a serum or in your face plumping moisturizers. It makes the skin firm, reduces fine lines, and keeps your skin hydrated. We hope you found these winter care tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.